If you want to learn how to use CapCut for video editing on PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics step by step so you can start editing your own videos quickly and confidently. We'll go from opening CapCut and importing your footage all the way to trimming clips, adding text, music, transitions, and effects. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing guide. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut PC on your computer. Once the app loads, you'll see the main home screen, and from here, the first thing you need to do is click New Project. This creates a fresh editing workspace where you can bring in all of your media and start building your video from scratch. Now that your project is open, the next step is to import your content. Click Import, then select the videos, photos, or audio files you want to use in your edit. You can choose one file or multiple files at the same time, depending on how your project is set up. After selecting everything, your media will appear in the media library inside CapCut. Once your files are imported, it's time to start editing. Drag your media down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is where all the real editing happens. This is where you can arrange your clips, cut them, add effects, and build the final sequence of your video. If you have multiple clips, place them in the order you want them to appear. If you want to remove parts you don't need, use the trim or split tools. Trimming is great when you only want to shorten the beginning or end of a clip. Splitting is useful when there's a section in the middle you want to remove. Just move the playhead to the exact point where you want to make the cut, then split the clip and delete the unwanted section. This is one of the most important skills in video editing because it helps keep your video clean, tight, and easy to watch. After trimming and splitting, you can rearrange your clips by dragging them into the desired order. This is very helpful if you recorded everything out of sequence or if you want to improve the flow of your content. Just click and hold a clip, then move it left or right on the timeline until it sits where you want it. A good clip order can make a huge difference in how professional your video feels. Next, you may want to add transitions between clips. Transitions help your video move smoothly from one shot to the next instead of feeling abrupt. CapCut gives you different transition styles you can apply between clips on the timeline. Choose one that matches the tone of your video. For example, a simple fade can look clean and professional, while a more energetic transition can work well for fast-paced content. Just remember not to overuse them, because too many transitions can make a video feel distracting. Now let's talk about text. Click the Text tab if you want to add titles, captions, subtitles, or on-screen labels. Text is extremely useful for introducing a topic, emphasizing key points, or making your video easier to follow. You can customize the font, size, color, position, and animation so it matches your video style. If you're creating tutorials, captions and labels can also help viewers understand each step more clearly. After that, head over to the Audio tab if you want to add music, sound effects, or voiceovers. Background music can help set the mood of your video, while sound effects can make edits feel more dynamic and engaging. If you're narrating your content, you can also add a voiceover to guide viewers through the video. Just make sure the audio levels are balanced so your music doesn't overpower your voice. Once your basic edit is in place, you can enhance the look of your video with filters, effects, animations, and color adjustments. Filters can quickly change the overall tone of your footage, while effects can add extra style or motion. Animations are great for making text and objects appear more polished, and color adjustments help improve brightness, contrast, and saturation. Even a few small adjustments can make your video look much more professional. As you edit, take your time and preview your work often. Watch the video from beginning to end so you can catch any awkward cuts, timing issues, or sections that need improvement. A good edit is usually all about small refinements and making sure everything flows smoothly. And that's the basic workflow for how to use CapCut for video editing on PC. You now know how to create a new project, import your media, drag it to the timeline, trim and split clips, rearrange scenes, add transitions, insert text, use audio, and apply effects to finish your video. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy editing guides, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more CapCut features next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.